most frequently asked question is, what software do I use? The short answer is a lot of different softwares. For parts like the wavy base and other parts where there's like a mechanical connection or you need to really pay attention to tolerances, I use Fusion 360. Could be SolidWorks, could be any other parametric solid modeling software, but I use that for things like the wavy. For things like the wavy shade, I use Rhino and Grasshopper. Rhino is a NURBS-based software. Basically, you're dealing with curvature in space, and Grasshopper is a scripting language within Rhino that lets you do things like repeated patterns. It basically lets you do kind of anything. You just, like, there's many things that you can do with Grasshopper, but I use it to create these ripple patterns on like the wavy lamp. I also use Grasshopper and Rhino for things like the Arcus and the Helios, but in this case, instead of sending a model out to a slicer to print, we are generating G-code, the printer code, in Grasshopper itself. And that means we're never really generating a 3D model. It's always just lines. And so that's what lets us do these kinds of woven patterns on the Arcus and the Helios, because we're writing our own custom G-code. For things like the Zephyr, where I use tools like Stable Diffusion to generate basically AI-generated repeating patterns, which then I can apply to a mesh that I built in Blender. And Blender is a mesh software. Typically,